Welcome back. Welcome back to another vlog. Can you see me? Welcome back to another vlog, y'all. Y'all see what's going on? We at the shop. It snowed last night, so as you guys can see, car wash is closed. Listen, I bought this light yesterday, and I've been like bringing this around with me everywhere. Like, I just feel like I'm a mechanic for real. Well, I mean, I am, but I feel more like a mechanic right now with this handy dandy light on me. Anyway, so as you guys know, I have been posting all about this car, trying to figure out where this creaking sound is coming from. You're about to be able to tell right now, bro.
Ready?
What?
Hear the sound?
Yep. Bro, this is wild. Okay, so as you guys just seen in that clip, every time I turn the wheel, majority of the times when I turn the wheel to the right, you hear the creaking sound. So we figured that, okay, you know what? It's gonna be on the passenger side, just right side of the car. And it was. Well, it is actually. It is. It's still going on. So I've went through everything, guys. I've went through upper control arms, lower control arms, forward, inner outer tie rod, ball joint on the spindle, on one of the control arms that connect to the spindle. What else did we do? I did the strut. Guys, the front of this car is all new. Suspension wise, it's all new. Moog parts, all new. Bilstein on the strut, but it's only on the passenger side. Now we should get one ideally for the driver's side, but I'm gonna wait because the problem wasn't really happening over here. And then on top of that, the thing was, the problem wasn't the strut. So what did I come down to figure out what was the problem? It turns out that the problem is actually, drum roll please. The problem is the lower control arm rearward. Now, I can't tell you how many people have told me that it's gonna be that part. My coworkers told me this numerous amount of times. It's your control arm, it's your control arm, it's your control arm. Now, I wasted money after this point. When we figured out that it was the control arm, or when we thought that it was the control arm, when I did my upper control arms, we figured it out because we sprayed WD-40 on the control arms and the bushings, and the creaking sound stopped. But I thought that because I was listening to a lot of people, YouTube suggestions, and Google, and this and that, I ended up doing the bushings on the sway bar. And I'm like, all right, it's the bushings, and it wasn't the bushings, guys. Put the bushings on, put the car down, creak right away. Guys, we found out yesterday that it's the lower control arm rearward. Okay, guys, so we finally found the problem for that creaking sound that I was getting in the Dodge Charger 2017 Scat Pack. Finally found the problem, and it is this rear torque arm. So you have two lower control arms, forward, rearward. That rear lower control arm is gone bad. Now let's check the other side. On the other side, you can see it's actually, let's see if I can get you guys in there really good. It's actually split right there. That split right there should not be there. So, customer complains when they turn the steering wheel, they hear a loud creaking sound. When they brake, they hear a loud creaking sound. It's coming from that rearward lower control arm. Stay tuned for more updates and fix for this car. And I'm happy. I'm gonna go to Moog, grab the parts. Now the parts are going for, let's just safe bet, $60 per arm, not including shipping. I'm gonna just go and grab those parts, and we should no longer have a creaking. And then in total, that means this whole front end of the car would be redone. It would be refreshed. Everything's brand new. Ball joints, bushings, arms, strut. Only thing I would have to do is get one more, and that's for the driver's side. That's the update on the car. We also fixed the underglow lights. I had maybe one of those wires, when I cut it, one of those wires was touching each other. So we fixed the underglow lights. That's great. It's no longer cutting off. We are now really in crunch time prepping for Texas. Like, we have to prep for Texas. Texas is next month at the end of the month, and we must prep. Another thing, guys, another thing, bro, the biggest surprise in the world. I'm having a baby. It's out there. I'm putting it out there. I'm having a baby. I'll fill you guys in more with the details. Drop down in the comments below if you guys want to, you know, see a different channel, do like the baby life and everything, keep up with the pregnancy and everything. Let me know. But I'm having a baby. Good thing is she has the mom car. I just got the race car, guys. I got the race car. And by race car, that means something else is coming soon. Now, I did not show you guys this, but let's go show you guys something that's going on the car very soon. Very soon meaning maybe next week. Ah, oil change, huh?
Oil change.
So, right here. Oh shit. Right here, guys, we have the exhaust for the car. We have the exhaust for the car, guys. Alright? So the Scat will be getting a new exhaust. Coming soon. Coming very soon. Let me pick up my mistake. Drop this. Now, update on the other thing, which is the famous orange 370. Let me tell you guys, everyone broke their car that night. For those who are worried, for those who are actually asking to see if we actually damaged every car, let's start over here with the blue one. This blue 370 was there, but you guys probably didn't notice it because we have two of them. This blue one, look at the tire. You guys see that? Not only is the tire flat, I think he broke his power steering pump. Let's ask him. I was gonna say let's give him a call, but let's ask him. So what do we break on the blue 370?
Power steering pump, what?
Power steering pump.
Fucked up my tire.
And his tire is done. Alright. And then for this one, guys, I didn't show you guys the full video because I was recording with the camera and with my phone. This one has the drive shaft is done. Alright, he ordered the drive shaft. Drive shaft should be coming in soon. So the orange 370 be back outside, up and running, spitting flames, probably on some new tires because these tires are done as well. This should be up and running, let's say a week, week and a half, 2 weeks max. 2 weeks the latest. 2 weeks the latest. But the drive shaft's already been ordered and it's coming in, so that's good. Now, other cars. A couple of the other cars broke down too. We had Prince. Prince broke, well, he didn't break, but he ran on wire. And his exhaust caught on fire. Prince's exhaust caught on fire. You could see that actually in the vlog. And then, what else? I think Jonathan's Tome came off. Mo's car's leaking oil. Jesse doesn't have O2 sensors. Everybody in this garage had a problem. Yo, I think the only person who did not get a problem is the one person who's never outside. Your brother. Your brother, bro. So that's the one car that didn't have a problem. But everyone else's car, bro, down to my car, all the cars are broke. All the cars are broke. They told me, I just got these tires, guys. They told me that I was sparking while performing a burnout. Now, let me tell you guys, we are all professional drivers, okay? We are all professional drivers. Whatever you guys see on this channel, I do not want you guys to try and recreate, especially if you're young and you're watching this vlog. Do not try to recreate these things because, guys, listen, we had to go through trial and error while driving these cars until we became familiar with the cars. You get what I'm saying? And that even goes to say, this car, the keys for this car in his hands, it's not the same, okay? I've tried it. I've jumped in, not this one, but the other 370, the blue one, and I've tried to perform what I perform in here, and it's not the same, guys. It is not the same. So that just goes to say we are all professional drivers, when we get behind the wheels of these cars, do not try to recreate these scenes or these stunts at home or in your local town or whatever. Don't do it. All right? Thank you. Now, back to the vlog. Yo, did you see the fish I posted last night?
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Yo, I know he was hungry.
I was starving.
I know. But I be doing the same shit. I be forgetting. Then I'm like, oh, shit. I forgot to post
I was starving, bro. All right, so they're doing the oil change. Knock the oil change out, and then we'll figure out more things come inside the shop. You guys know, you'll see everything about it. John is finally vlogging, guys. John is finally vlogging, bro. Yo, it's taking you a minute. I've been told you to do this, bro. It's taking you a minute, but guys, stay tuned. He will have a channel coming back or coming up soon, so stay tuned for John's channel. So you guys can head on over, like, comment, share, and subscribe on John's channel, especially when you want to see these flames, boy. These flames is unforgettable, man. Yeah. All right, we got the Q50 down now. We had to run to the parts store because this guy got the wrong filter. I don't want to point no fingers, but this guy got the wrong. All right, y'all. So we got the new filter in. They about to add the oil back up. Yo, I can never get tired of seeing this, bro. Like, never get tired of seeing. This is nice. It's the mean one, y'all. So what do y'all think, right? Because I'm thinking about doing it like this. What do you guys think if I put like SRT on the side right here? Or maybe Beekeeper? Maybe Beekeeper on the side right here? Or like SRT, Beekeeper, Scat? Like, what y'all think?
I'm looking for the filter.
How you looking for the filter and the car is down? How you looking for the filter and the car is down, bro? He ain't had no food this morning, bro. He ain't have his food this morning, bro.
Oh, shit.
Oh, man. So, yeah, guys, what do you guys think? What do we do? SRT right here, like going into big letters like S, small right here, a bigger R, and then a big ass T right here, and then do Beekeeper right here, or should we just do like Beekeeper? I don't know, but I think something should go right here. So we're adding on to the wrap of the car now. Remember, guys, this color right here is the original color. The red is the original color. The black is the wrap. So on this side, I mean, I guess I should still go with the black and red, just like right here, because I was gonna do like yellow right here. But I'll do the black and red, continue with the black and red, and do like, oh, but this is gonna really like, I don't know how this is gonna work right here. So maybe just SRT right here. I don't know, I just feel like something should be added to the side. Now, I do wanna do my sponsor at the bottom, like Jimmy Rims and Tires, maybe Light and Trends at the bottom or something like that. Maybe, I don't know, but I just feel like we gotta put some more stickers on there, yo. I feel like I gotta put more decals up there, more vinyl up there. We need more. We need more. And some bigger tires, yeah. But stay tuned though, cause we gonna be dropping this mug soon, bro. We gonna be dropping this mug soon, bro. Trust me. All right. The ride height is gonna be good this time. All right. No more monster truck in the back and lowered car in the front. All right. And we getting the real, yo, just stay tuned, y'all. Stay tuned. Rock. Oh, rock. There we go. Now we gotta put, yo, I'm tired of pushing this. Drop, make sure you drop, oh look, he already know.
Once again?
Now we gotta push the car out of here, y'all. Oh, look, Hall. Here goes another Hall.
Damn, stairs.
Oh, hey, hold on, lady. Yes, sir.
They're gonna bring my car right now. Yeah. Look at that shit. The stickers. Oh, he has no shepherd. Yo, this is bro like MTA shit, bro. What?
There we go.
Then the guys in the back hiding in the cut. Everything's pushed out now. Dragon breath. Alright, we got a lot going on. We got a new screen going in the Q50. We just did the oil in the other Q50. We doing an oil change on the Honda. Man, we got a lot going on, huh? John and Sock. And now the screen, look. Dang, bro, we got another car coming in. Somebody just said they wanted to pull up. We got, oh, rear view.
Backup camera too.
Yo, this man has not had camera. He ain't have radio. Couldn't put it in sport for real. Look. This how he was listening to music. The sound bar, bro.
Wow.
Finally, right? And so now,
and I can put on sport too.
So now we got Scat pulling up, but Daytona pulling up. We about to do an ABS sensor on that. Say he'll be here in about 30 minutes. About to go grab some chicken, because you know we black. Chicken, grape soda, watermelon, all of that. Man, but like, I can't wait, y'all. I'm starting to think to just tell John to put this on right now, bro. So now you just trying to make sure the radio work 100%, and you good, man. I do miss my Q50 sometimes. Do miss my Q50 sometimes.
Hey, what do we see signal?
Hold up. Because I got Bluetooth.
Alright.
You got the Bluetooth outside.
You gotta take it outside or you supposed to sit inside now?
You got sound, my boy.
As long as I got Bluetooth in that hook, that's all I need.
Alright, so we done did 2 oil changes, 1 radio. We doing an ABS sensor. I returned back the inner outer tie rods for my car because it was not that. It is the lower control arms for the rear work. We got a lot of work done today. And we about to go eat some food. By the way, happy Super Bowl Sunday. Even though you guys have this Monday. Alright, so I just sold my car for a wide body. Just sold the car for, nah, I ain't sell my car, you crazy? Doing ABS sensor. Yo, look how big these freaking tips is, bro. Pause. Look how big them tips is, bro. Pause, bro, look at the tip.
Like a diesel tip. Some diesel shit. Watch out your print.
Yeah, I know, right? Set it on fire. Yo, you got a spacer on this? How the fuck is he able to run 285 and that shit look wide like that? I got 315s on it, I feel like they don't sit wide. Hold on, John, wait. Come on. It's quiet shit. Go ahead. Dang, wide body, slim body, wide body. Dang, John could finally say he drove a wide body Charger. I ain't gonna tell you which type of Charger this is for real. You won't believe it. That shit quiet as hell. You got exhaust leak? Just body, it's in the mid pipe.
Nah, it's a header. This is a screw up and shit.
Oh yeah, he won't go for a spin. This shit nice, bro.
What the fuck?
And that's what a leak in the header.
That's a leak?
It's a leak in the header. That's what a leak inside of the header, bro. That shit crazy, bro. Oh yeah, he going down this way. You know he gonna do something. This shit must not be warm or something. Shit must not be warm.
You coming?
Coming with.
So, what are you watching? So you're watching
I'm going to sleep. There y'all have it, man. It's the end of the vlog, y'all. We did what we had to do. Got a couple cars into the shop. Now, it's time for me to go to mi casa to go to sleep. Was here since sun up to sundown. Beekeeper Scat, man. I'm so tired. I'm signing out.